Okay, so I have a question here on ionic bonding. You've been given two elements, sodium and chlorine. The question says show how the compound is formed when sodium and chlorine react together. When sodium, okay, when sodium reacts with chlorine, we get sodium chloride, a compound which is like this. So this is a compound that we're talking about. That's a compound. You need to show how it is formed. So of course we are going to use the dot and cross representation. Okay, that's what we're going to use. So how do we do this? So sodium, first we're going to draw the electronic structure, or first we say the electronic configuration of sodium. Okay, for sodium configuration is 2,8,1, and for chlorine is 2,8,7. That means for this compound to be formed, sodium must lose this electron to chlorine so that it can remain with 8 electrons, and also this one can have 8 electrons in the outer shell. So let us draw the electronic representation of sodium first. So this is what will happen. So there will be this. So we call this one sodium. Then there's this. Alright. Then we can also do the same for chlorine. Okay. Then we can just put in the electrons. So here I'll continue putting until all of them are filled. Then there's one there. Or here I'll use, let me use another color. Here let me use this. This is chlorine. Like this. So this is how chlorine is. This is sodium, and that is what? That's chlorine. Now that you have this, you need to show how electrons are being what? So when these two react like this, okay, here's what is formed. This electron will be lost to chlorine. When this electron is lost to chlorine, this is what happens. This is what results. Okay, so this is what results there, and so this is sodium, and that is what? Chlorine. So this will remain with 2 inside and 8 outside. And this is what will be formed. So this, because it has lost one electron, remember all metals lose electrons, it's going to have a positive charge showing that it has lost one electron. On the other hand, chlorine will show that it has accepted that electron, so it will show it with a negative sign here. Alright, and this is how we represent chlorine. So it's going to have that. So like that. Of course, and one close is coming from sodium, and this is sodium. Alright, so this is sodium ion, and that's called the chloride ion. So this is how the compound of sodium chloride is formed. I hope this helped.